Hi guys, Nagaraj here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new for this channel, please do subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video, we'll see how we can write our own customized exceptions. Usually, when you try to execute during the executions, right, we may face some exceptions. Script may throw some exceptions. Usually, what we'll have, it may be arithmetic exception, runtime exceptions, or file not found exception. These kind of exceptions will be generated based upon the exceptions which by default it is taken care by the Java. What if I want to write my own exceptions? If I want to throw my own exceptions message, so how we can do that? That is nothing but that means we can customize our own exceptions instead of calling by default exceptions from the Java. So for that we need to create. Let me show you how to create customized exceptions, then how to call that, and then we'll see how to call that exceptions. So for that, I need to create one class called exception, my own exceptions. So let me give some class name as my exceptions. So I'm giving the my exceptions. This is my class. So here in the my exceptions, once I create, I need to extend the exception class. So here in my exceptions, I extended the exception class. Inside, I need to create a one constructor I can create with class name itself. So I just created a constructor. So it takes a single parameter, that is string, message, or something. Okay, now inside that we need to our support class method, we can pass this as a parameters here. Here just I have created the exception class, right? Inside I have created a constructor with a single argument constructor. This message should be passed to the super method. Anyhow, it will call to the parent class of the constructor. Then this exception class will take care about these messages. Now this message we will pass from our code where we throw the exceptions. We are passing this message by calling these my exceptions. Okay, how we can do that? That we'll see now. Let's take some data. Let me use in try catch block because I need to catch some value. I need to catch the exceptions, right? So let me use it in let me use my exceptions. I will catch this my exception E, and here whatever the exception will throw, I should catch as per the my exceptions. So let me use this out. I can write something went wrong, and the message, let me pass the message as well. That is the E, the object name I have mentioned here. Okay, now we'll take some scanner class because I want to take some value from the keyboard. This here is equal to new scanner class. So this will, as I'm taking from the input, so system.in. Okay, let me import this scanner. It is available in java.util package. I will save this value into the some data scr.next int. Before that, let me write some sysout because I need to take some value. So let me write something like enter a number between 1 to 100 or something, 1 to 100. Okay, so my intention is I want to validate this number, entered values between the 1 to 100 or not. If the value is 1 to 100, so it is valid. If it is not, then we need to throw exceptions. That's what my intention here. If it is not 1 to 100 or more than that, so I need to throw exception which I should call from the my exceptions only, right? So for that I will write to validate method. Validate, it should take the data as a parameter, and for that I need to, it is a data, right? Okay, let me create a method for this. Inside the class, let me create a method. It should be the public static void main. Now we should take the integer data, right? Now here I'm just in the message signature. I will throws the message, throws my exceptions actually. Okay, I will take, you should throw my exceptions. If what I'm saying here just I'm validating if the data is greater than or greater than 100, so let me throw exceptions. If the value is greater than 100, let me throw exceptions. What exceptions I will throw? New. I'm creating my own exceptions here. I'm creating my own exceptions here. Inside that I will write my own message, something like maybe let me take it from the next line. Number is not valid. Number not valid. So if the value is proper, if it is value is between the, we write some sysout statement as well here. Sysout number is valid. Number is valid. So this is done. That's it. So here this is actually the customized exceptions. Here what I did, instead of throwing their own exception Java, I created my own exception class there, and here I'm calling it is throwing exception if any exceptions comes here, if any exceptions in the valid method, sorry, validate method, so that will catch by the catch block, and it will throw the message along with my default my customized message as well. Let's see whether it works fine or not. Let me run this. It will ask for the input data. Please enter data between, let me add. So number is valid. Now let me check for the another scenario. So if the value is greater than 100, so now it is showing, see, the something went wrong and number is not valid. It is taking from my own customized method, right? It is taking from my own customized message. Number is not a valid. So this is what this is how we can able to achieve our own customized exception. If you have any doubt, please put it in comment section. We'll discuss more on that, and I will try to clear your doubt. If you like this video, please hit like button, and please do subscribe my channel for further useful videos, guys. Thank you.